We've got an 18 kilowatt system. We planned the system not only, of course, for our own internal usage, but also with an eye to the future. We've recently installed a battery backup system, which is both for use during the evenings, but also for emergency purposes. We also planned the system such that in the future, if we get an electric vehicle, we're able to use it to charge the vehicle. We made the choice pretty much after we purchased the house, so we installed solar within 6 months of moving into this house. My calculation on the payback is probably around about 5 to 6 years, thereabouts. So we're very comfortable that this is a 6-year investment. We'll have our payback within that period of time, and then out into the future we'll be able to continue to enjoy the benefits whilst also helping the environment. I think that solar is an investment. You have to take a 5, 6, 7 year outlook, but for people that are planning to continue to live in their house for the next 5 to 6 years, it seems like a great investment to me. Helps the environment, reduces your monthly or your quarterly electricity bills, gives you the peace of mind that you're helping contribute to the environment, and after your payback period, then of course it's just win-win. We have a house that has a fairly high energy usage, swimming pools and water features. So those run a lot during the day, they consume a lot of power. So we wanted to become more energy efficient to improve our carbon footprint. We're at a point now where we consume quite a lot of our own energy and we export some back into the grid. So we're helping to reduce carbon emissions. The specification of our system was such that we wanted it to cover all of our needs, provide an additional overhead that we could export some power back, and to help improve climate. We're very passionate about the climate. We want to ensure that we have a good, healthy country for the future of our children, and we believe that everybody should be considering solar and alternate sources of energy.